Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. This is Hero and that is his sister Spirit. This guy is much larger. He loves to eat. Look at the size comparison. I'm joined by one of my friends.
Hi, I'm R and she's K. And we're the Farm Life Vlogs.
And we're going on a little tour of our farm.
It's pretty cool.
There's a bunch of dirt mountains because we're digging a pool. But we'll go see the horses first.
So, Kay has many pets and farm animals. So today we're just going to give you the basic tour of all of them. You'll get to know them further along as we continue these vlogs.
So there are 2 horses, just like there are 2 cats. Well, there's a kitten inside. I think the horses are down here.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay, it's slippery.
Oh, I just slipped.
Yep, it's very slippery.
So we have to be careful out on the farm because there is a lot of land, but a lot of land comes with a lot of responsibilities,
yeah.
and mud. And horseback. Yeah. Okay, so here we are almost there.
There's a bunch of birds. I don't know if you can see them. They're all on the fence.
And by the way, we are not revealing our names or our faces yet, but that will be coming in the future.
Yep, we
So
promise.
You have to kind of stay in the loop and keep subscribing, watching, liking the videos, so you can get to the point where you can see our faces. Right now, it's kind of a mystery. Okay, we're coming up upon Kay's 2 horses.
Oh, here comes Tucker.
Tucker!
The one heading towards us, the lighter brown. This is Tucker. He has very, very little vision in his left eye. He has something wrong with his cataract, sadly. But, you gonna boop the camera? He's just fine. He struggles with riding a little bit, but he's overall good. And this is big boy Clay. You really gonna go on the other side of Tucker? Let's see if we can see your eye. No, you're scared of Clay, aren't you? What you eating? Oh, you got that grass. Oh, he just kicked himself in the chin. You okay, buddy? I think he's good. Oh, goodness.
Hey, Clay.
He scared me a little bit.
So, I don't know if y'all can tell on the screen, but Clay is very big.
Much larger than Tucker is.
And look, there's actually an arrow right there. Can you see that? That's cool, right?
That's probably bird poo, but that's not his natural coloring. I don't know what that is.
Honestly, the best thing that I like about these horses are probably their manes. Their manes, Tucker's is more highlighted and colored.
Yeah.
Clay is...
This guy's got many, many colors in his hair. He's got red, blonde, and black, brown. Hey, buddy. Gonna poke the camera again?
Look at that bug. We might need to get that off.
Oh, yep. Gotta get that off. Gotta get that off.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, it's back on him again.
Oh, goodness.
What
As
is
you
that
can
thing?
see, bugs love horses. So
we
have
rub
to
them
keep
down
them
in bug
off
spray.
to keep them safe
There you
from
go.
parasites and all types of bugs. Okay, come on, guys.
Now, watch out for that. You coming?
Come on, guys. They are enjoying some yummy grass right now.
I bet. Now we're gonna go into this pen. Wonder if you guys can guess what's in there. You can see someone's head peeking out.
So, just an FYI,
FY.
Kay has 3 dogs. Actually, they're in the process of fostering and adopting their newest one, Enzo.
He's a puppy.
And he is quite loud. But she does have 2 other girl dogs, Belle and Sophie.
Enzo isn't that loud, or did you say large?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, he is pretty large.
And as you also could see, she does have those 2 cats.
And we have another kitten inside.
Her name is Luna, and she is the tiniest thing.
I know.
You won't believe this, but she can fit into a sock.
Yes, Luna fits in a sock. Okay, the gate is stuck. Oh, goodness. So, the goats are over there. Let's go see them. Oh, yeah, if you guess goats, you guess correctly. Look at those 2 boys. They love each other.
There are 2 goats, and let's hope they don't headbutt us like before.
Yes, they headbutt badly.
The mom, Maleficent, does not headbutt that much.
She
And
just
then
has...
Kennedy, tell them the baby. Okay, we can edit that out. Tell them the baby's name.
The little baby, his name is Zuru. Oh yeah, by the way, I don't know how to edit yet, so. There's Maleficent and the baby. There's the baby. So I'll be showing you guys my dogs and the kitten in another video. And another random surprise that you'll have to stay tuned for. So there's Maleficent, she's the mom. She's very scared of us because she's been through a lot in the past.
Oh, Kennedy. I don't want you to headbutt me, so I'm going to give you some
And
food.
this is Zuru. Can you guys say bye? Will you guys say bye?
Oh, he's headbutting me.
Okay.
Kennedy, hold his arms.
Okay. Say bye, Zuru.
Thank you for watching
bye.
Farm Life Vlogs.
Bye-bye.
We're going to go before I get headbutted.
Say bye, Zuru.